Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker barbecue Mississippi roast and I'm using my Instant Pot Duo. Now I'm sure everybody has heard of the Mississippi roast recipe, but I kicked it up a notch. Here are the ingredients that I'll be using. Oh, and I forgot to include the butter in the picture. First, I'm going to start by adding my meat to my pressure cooker, and then I'm going to season one side with half of the au jus gravy mix, and then I'm also going to add some ranch seasoning. Now you can use the ranch seasoning in the packets, but I buy mine in bulk at Sam's Club. So now I'm just going to turn the meat over and do the same thing on the other side. Now you can use about 3 pounds of meat, but I used about 5.5, just because I wanted to have some for leftovers. So I added some butter, and here I am adding the pepperoncinis, and then here's my little special addition, some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So I drizzled that all over the top, and then I went ahead and added the rest of my meat and repeated the same process of barbecue sauce, au jus gravy mix, ranch seasoning mix, and then some more butter and more pepperoncinis. So now it's time to add in my liquid. I've got 1 cup of beef broth and half a cup of the juice from the pepperoncinis. And I probably could have just used 1 cup of liquid total. I really didn't need 1.5 cups. But anyways, I added in the liquid, and then I moved the meat a little bit just to make sure the liquid reached the bottom. And then I sealed my pressure cooker. I hit the meat stew button, and I let this cook for 90 minutes, and I let the pressure release naturally. And here's what it looks like when it's all done cooking. So I transferred the meat to a dish, and then I put some of the juices in my fat separator so I can make like a little gravy later. And then here's how tender the roast came out of the pot. Like, look at it. It just peels away effortlessly. It was just so tender, so juicy. I love pressure cooker pot roast. So good. So I mixed some of the juices with some barbecue sauce, and I poured it over the top. Oh my God, look at this. I want some like right now. This was so good. My family loved this. It was absolutely delicious. I served it up with some air fryer green beans cooked with bacon, and then some corn pudding. And I'll have videos for these 2 recipes coming up real soon, so be on the lookout. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!